December 30th stands as a date of profound historical significance in the annals of Bharat and the global narrative, as it witnessed the unfolding of numerous pivotal events that have left an indelible mark on the course of history. Let us embark on a journey into the historical tapestry of December 30th. On December 30, 1943, freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose hoisted the tricolour in Port Blair. Subhash Chandra Bose had reached there at the time as the Prime Minister of the Azad Hind government. This was the first time that a Bharatiya had hoisted the flag as the Prime Minister on the Bharatiya land snatched from the British. Netaji hoisted the national flag at the Gymkhana ground in Port Blair. Even today, at 150 feet high tricolour flag is flying in the sky carrying the memories of Netaji. At the same time, the airport in Andaman, where Netaji landed, has now been renamed as Veer Savarkar Airport. At that time, it was known as Port Blair Airport and was just an airstrip. Now it has been transformed. On December 30, 1971, the great scientist and Padma Vibhushan awardee Dr. Vikram Sarabhai passed away. It was Vikram Sarabhai who founded the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. He is also called the father of India's space program. Very few people know that he was also involved in the efforts to build some major institutions in Bharat. IIM Ahmedabad is prominently included in these. ISRO's major research center located in Kerala is named after Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, which works on rocket and space vehicles for Bharat satellite program. On December 30, 1975, Hindi poet and ghazal writer Dushyant Kumar died. He gave a distinct identity to Hindi ghazals. His original name was Dushyant Kumar Tyagi, but he was known as Dushyant Kumar in the literary world. On December 30, 1922, the Soviet Union was established. The Soviet Union consisted of 15 countries. Later, after its disintegration, Russia became an independent country in 1991.